Hello guys, welcome to another video of Indian All-Rounder. In this video we are going to see how to make a simple program to find the power of the given number using the scanner class. So firstly we will start by importing the java.util or java.util.scanner. Then we will come to public class power s. Power s have been taken because s stands for scanner, as I had already made one program which is power.ns non-scanner static method. You can see that video again by going to the videos of my channel content or seeing a playlist of Java tutorials. Then we will come to public static void main string arguments, then scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. I have taken scanner s. You can take scanner anything, whatever name you want, but make sure the s of the scanner and system is capital. Then system.out.print number, system.out.println number, then enter, then power. So this is basically the code that how we have to enter it while running the program. After that we will come to int x is equal to s.nextInt, int y is equal to s.nextInt, int I is equal to 1, p is equal to 1, while I is smaller than equal to y. So the program will be run y times bracket start p is equal to p multiplied by x. So to explain this we can take the example of x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. So firstly p is equal to 1 is equal to this time the condition is true because I is equal to 1, then this will run p is equal to p multiplied by x, p is 1. So p is equal to p multiplied by x is equal to 1 multiplied by 2. So this time it will be 2. I will become 2. I is still smaller than equal to y, which was 2. Then this time 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by x, x is 2, 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2. Then p is equal to 4, I plus plus I will become 3, condition false, answer will be p will be 4, system.out.print p 4. Then we can just compile it, then we will go and run it. So on running it we will find the exact, enter number, so number is 10, then enter, then power is 3, then enter, answer is 1000. So it's absolutely correct. Control K. Thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you hit the bell icons after subscribing. You also hit the like icon if you like the way I make the program. And for any further queries, just comment it below in the comment section. I will make sure to leave the codes in the description. Thanks for watching my channel.